Welcome. In this video, we will discuss transactional keywords, the type of search terms that directly signals a user's intent to take action, usually a purchase or sign up. These are critical for driving revenue-focused traffic. Transactional keywords are search queries used by people ready to take a specific action, such as buying a product, booking a service, or subscribe to something. Examples include buy iPhone 14 online, book flight to Dubai, or subscribe to Netflix. The user has moved past research, they want to act now. These keywords often contain action words like buy, order, book, get, or subscribe, combined with product or service terms. Targeting transactional keywords help you attract high intent visitors who are more likely to convert, meaning they bring immediate business value. They appear in the final stage of buyer's journey after awareness and consideration when the user is ready to purchase. You should use transactional keyword in product pages, service pages, e-commerce listing, and paid search campaigns. Use keyword research tools like SEMrush, Ahref, or Google Keyword Planner. Filter for high CPC and clear buying intent phrases. Match your landing page content with the exact intent. Keep CTAs clear, optimize for conversions, and ensure fast page load speed. Avoid using transactional keywords for informational blog posts. This mismatch can harm conversion and increase bounce rate. Transactional keywords are powerful for attracting users who are ready to act. If used strategically, they can significantly boost your sales and ROI. Thanks for watching. Start integrating transactional keywords into your SEO and ad campaigns to see instant results. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.